Can you solve this question easily? So the question is 5 minus 15 bracket 5 minus 15. Most of you guys solve it like this: 5 minus 15 is minus 10, multiplied by bracket, it comes out minus 10. So the answer you guys got would have been 100. But this is wrong. This is the wrong method to solve this, because according to the order of operations, PEMDAS rule, we solve from left to right. And in PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, D for M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. So this is the right method to solve this question. Right method. 5 minus 15 bracket 5 minus 15. So this is how you guys will solve it. 5 minus 15. First we will solve the brackets, and that comes out to be minus 10. Then we will solve 5 minus 15 multiply by minus 10. This will give us 5 minus 150, and after that we will solve it like this: 5 minus 5 plus 150, and the answer you guys will get will be 155, positive 155. This is the right answer. This is how you solve it.